Hello students, welcome to class. I just wanted to take a moment to show you the baby birds under my porch. Mama has left to go and get some food, and the 4 babies are here. I know you probably only see 2 beaks, but there are 4 of them, all mashed up in there in one giant blob. Look at the bottom, we see little toes. Do you see them? The feathers are growing in. They've grown up so fast. It seems like just yesterday that there were 4 little blue eggs in this nest. And just before that, it was completely empty. Spring is definitely here. For those of you just joining us, we're in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. And this is me looking at a little hole under my porch. Look, I'll show you. You see? It's just a hole on my porch. We made that hole a while ago because we noticed that there was a nest under there and we wanted to have a look at it. So we keep this on top to make sure that they're safe. But when we want to have a little peek to see if they're okay, we do that. Now I put the piece of wood on and off very gently because I don't want to make a rapid movement. Otherwise, the babies will all open their mouths and think that Mummy's here. As long as I stay calm and don't make any quick movements or loud movements, they just keep resting and sleeping. Sometimes I sit and watch and the mom comes right over them. They all open their mouths and eat. And she just feeds them right there with me there. Other times I just walk away and leave my camera on. So I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to walk away and go into the house and look from a distance and see if she comes. So you guys can see them eating. If she comes. I don't know if she will or not. Okay? So I'm going to walk away right now. You guys stay and watch. Did you see them? I was looking from the door and I saw the mama come. So cool, isn't it? Nature is wonderful. Please don't eat birds. Chickens are also birds, and they don't want anyone to steal their eggs either. Eggs belong to the mama who laid them. Thanks everyone for being here. Coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Click on them. Be curious. Look around my site. There's over 1,400 videos. And at the moment, I have a TikTok channel, if you'd like to follow that too. It's called It's That Vegan Teacher. And in between each word is a dot. So it's dot that dot vegan dot teacher. At the time of this video, I have nearly 11,000 followers over there. So if you'd like to join me there, that would be great. Thanks again for being here, everyone. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.